Welcome, fam. Woke up stiff through your spine or heavy in your legs? It's not just sleep, it's tension trapped in the back of your body. Let's release it smoothly, fully, so your energy can move forward. Let's hit the mat. This is the golden reset, a full length wake up for your hamstrings, spine, and shoulders when your body's ready for a deep breath. Start in a tabletop position. Tuck your toes, lift your hips high. Press your heels gently toward the floor. Push your chest towards your thighs, arms long. You can feel a stretch through your calves, hamstrings, shoulders, and spine. A total body realignment. Downward dog recalibrates your nervous system, activates your entire posterior chain, and prepares your body for motion. I promise you feel lighter and longer by the end of this minute. Now that we've built the base, let's explore it, one leg at a time. Can you press your heels just 1 inch close to the ground? Are you pressing evenly through your hands or favoring one side? That just unlocked your full line. Now let's isolate and lift. This move adds focus and freedom. It shows you exactly where you're tight and invites you to move through it. From downward dog, lift your right leg high behind you. Keep hips square or gently open them. Hold and breathe. Switch to the left after 30 seconds. You can feel a deep stretch in the standing leg, glute activation, and lengthen the lifted leg. This increases hip mobility and strengthens your core glute connection. I promise it wakes up your stride and clears asymmetries you've been carrying unconsciously. And the lifted leg trains your balance and exposes where your body cheats. Try pointing and flexing your foot. Feel that shift? Are you twisting for height or holding for control? That just balanced both sides. Now let's fold and reset. This is where we slow down and stretch long. It's not just about your hamstrings, it's about exhale. Sit tall, legs extended forward. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, hinge at the hips and fold forward. Let your arms and spine relax. You can feel a stretch from the calves through your hamstrings into the back and shoulders. This decompresses your spine, elongates your backside, and grounds your nervous system. I promise you'll feel more calm, more mobile, and more connected. We're going to rest deeper in just a moment, but keep lengthening here first. Can you inhale and lengthen the spine just 1 inch more? Are you folding forward or collapsing? That just opened your line. Now let's soften everything in stillness. This stretch isn't just physical, it's a full body surrender. You return to your breath, to stillness. Sit your hips back towards your heels, knees wide, big toes together. Arms reach forward or rest beside you. Forehead to mat. Breathe. You're going to feel a release in the spine, softness in the hips, a grounding in your nervous system. Child's pose reconnects your mind and body through stillness. I promise it recharges you in less than 60 seconds. This position mimics a fetal curl. Your nervous system reads it as safety. Can you stay for one extra exhale, even when your mind wants to move? Are you letting your body be heavy or holding tension when no one can see? That just cleared your foundation. Now let's rise and reset from the ground up. This is the final challenge. Power, breath, twist. Everything in one move. Stand wide, feet just outside hips. Drop into a deep squat, elbows inside knees. Right hand down, twist left arm to the sky. Return and switch sides. Keep alternating. You can feel your hips grounded, spine rotating, shoulders opening, breath flowing. This integrates everything we just stretched into a full body reset. I promise you'll finish more balanced and energized. This rotation trains your thoracic spine, essential for breathing, posture, and mobility. Stay low, add reach, and get deeper without collapsing. Are you lifting with your chest or twisting from your core? That just sealed your session, but tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.